Lincoln, guess who's back to teaching guitar? It's me, Tim Woosley, and I've got some big news. For the first time in a long time, I'm opening up a tiny handful of private guitar lesson spots. And when I say tiny, I mean 7. That's it. I like to keep things small so I can focus on my students and help them get real results. If you've tried learning guitar before and got frustrated or bored or stuck doing the same 3 chords forever, trust me, it wasn't you. You just didn't have a clear plan, a fun teacher, and songs that help actually keep you excited. So that's where I come in. I've taught hundreds of students here in Lincoln, and my whole mission is to make learning guitar simple, fun, and confidence building. No pressure, no judgment, just music you love and steady progress you can feel. Now these 7 spots always go fast, so if you want one, comment below, shoot me a message, or click the link in the description to grab a spot. I can't wait to play some music with you. Let's go!